The sum of three numbers is 72. The first number is 4 more than the second number, and the last number is 3 more than half the second number. What is the largest number? Okay, so maglagay tayo ng expression para sa bawat numbers natin. So according to the problem, the first number is 4 more than the second number. So nakabase yung first number sa second number. So let x be the second number. Okay? So dahil nakabase nga yung first number sa second number. And then the expression for the first number is 4 more than. 4 more than the second number. So that means x plus 4. 4 more than the second number, which is x. So x plus 4, that is the expression for the first number. And then for the last number is 3 more than. 3 more than, so that means plus 3. 3 more than half the second number. Half the second number, so that is x over 2. So this will be the third number. So the question is, what is the largest number? Based on our expression, the largest number obviously is the first number. Okay? Because it is 4 more than the second number. And then the third number is half of the second number. Add 3. Okay? So just solve the value of x. We will use the first statement. The sum of the three numbers is 72. So we just add the three expressions, x plus 4, x and x over 2 plus 3, and then that is equal to 72. Okay, so therefore we have x plus 4 plus the second number x plus the third number x over 2 plus 3, that is equal to 72. Just solve the value of x. Okay, so let's combine the x plus x, so that is equal to 2x. Combine the 4 and 3, so we have plus 7. Just copy the x over 2 equals 72. Now, let's get rid of the denominator by multiplying both sides of the equation by the denominator 2. Okay, let's distribute the 2. 2 times 2x, we have 4x. 2 times positive 7, we have positive 14. 2 times x over 2, simply cancel the 2. So we have plus x equals 72 times 2, that is 144. So put 14 to the other side by subtracting 14 on both sides. So cancel out. So we have 4x plus x. So we have 5x is equal to 144 minus 14. That is 130. Solve the value of x by dividing both sides by 5. Okay, so therefore the value of x is, we can do this mentally, 100 divided by 5, that is 20. And then 30 divided by 5 is 6. So therefore, the value of x is 26. But take note, we are looking for the largest number. The 26 is the second number. So we have the first number, x plus 4. So 26 plus 4, that is 30. And the third number is 26 divided by 2. That is 13 plus 3. We have 16. So the largest number is equal to 30, which is letter D. So follow me for more content like this.